Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautethical. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do that right now, and then let's get into the video. So today I am going to use this Blue Heaven Shimmer dust for the very first time, and I thought why not do it on camera. This looks very appealing to me. I have never used this type of a product as a highlighter or as a inner corner highlight or any type of highlight. So I have these type of eyeshadows, the pigments and everything, and I have used those, but I have never used this for a highlighter. So this is how it looks. It's a very powdery kind of thing. Let me just swatch it for you. So I just dipped into the product and this is how it looks. I'm sure this is going to give a lot of fallout, but that looks really pretty. Really pretty. So, wow. I'm not sure if that will blend onto the skin. It looks beautiful, but as a highlighter, I'm not sure how that's going to look. Let's just test it out. So let's just read what the description is on the internet or what the company has or the brand says about this product. I'm really sorry, there's some work going on, I think upstairs, and that noise is just something that I cannot stop. So this says, shine bright like a star with Blue Heaven body and face shimmers. This shimmery powder adds a gorgeous pearly glow to your face without making your face look cakey and patchy. These shimmers are for multi-purpose use that gives the body and face a luminous and radiant look. The shimmer dust powder can be used on the cheeks, over the blush, or as a face bronzer to highlight and accentuate your features, or can be applied over the collarbones, body, etc. So that's all of that we're going to do today and see how this goes and how to use. You can apply the shimmer powder on your cheekbones, inside the corner of your eyes, nose, inside the corner of the nose, on the nose. Highlight your features beautifully with the shimmer dust powder. This can be used on face and body. So let's just test this out. So I'm just going to take a thin pencil brush and we're going to start with the inner corners of the eyes. I have something going on already on the inner corners, but that's pretty light, and let's see. Wow, that looks pretty, but it will also fly onto your face because it is loose powder. That does look nice. So if you are in the mood for a blingy kind of an inner corner highlight, you can definitely use this. It does fly, so you need to take care of that. And then I'm using the same brush and let's try it on the brow bone. Even though they are not written that you can use this for brow bone, it's just makeup. You can use it wherever you want. Wow. So when you are in the mood for a real blingy highlight, I think this is something that you can go for. I don't know how it will be if you mix it in your face powder and use it. I would like to try that as well. So let me just blend this out a little bit. That's a beautiful highlight. Let's just check on the cheekbones. So I'm just dipping my brush. That's a lot of product. That's a lot of product. You can see how much of it is flying off. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god. That is some highlight. I don't think you can tone it down once you've applied it, so you need to be very careful. That's actually blending. Pigment, the loose pigment that's flying off, that will stick to the skin. But the finish this is giving is like a highlighter. that I normally use. You will still find loose glitter somewhere on your face, so you need to take care of that. But that's some highlight. This side has blended in really well. This side, I think you can still. But that's actually, I'm kind of liking. For the really blingy kind of a highlight, this is something that you can definitely go for. And then I'm just going to use the fan brush and try out the collarbone highlight. Wow. Now this is one area where we can definitely beat it. See that? This looks amazing. This. So if you are skeptical about this product being on your face, try your collarbone. They have different shades available. They have, if I'm not wrong, about 12 shades, and this is their pearly kind of a shade, which I thought will go well with everything. Instead of buying a colored highlighter, I thought why not buy the neutral one. So that's really nice. I like it too. Wow, that's nice. And then if you're wearing a sleeveless or an off-shoulder dress, that's something that you can do, and that'll look really great. I should have worn something like that today, but I can still show it to you. Wow, that's not bad at all. I really loved this product for collarbone and the shoulder highlight. This will give a lot of fallout if you are not careful with it. This will ruin your workspace as well. So that's just a warning I thought I should give you. Let me just mix it in powder and see how that goes. So I'll take out a little bit of powder and mix very slight amount of shimmer, and let me see how that looks on the face. For special occasions, you can, I think, use it. No, that doesn't look very good actually. Let me just see it up close. For a nighttime look, for some party or something, you can definitely do this. Not for the daytime, of course, but I think you can still use it. You need to mix it really well into the powder, otherwise it will just end up being in one place more than the other. So all in all, I think I really like this powder, not for the cheekbone highlights as much, but for the collarbone and the shoulder highlight. If you ask me, I don't think I will reach for this for the cheekbone highlight unless and until I am really going for a blingy look. Let's try and use this on the eyes and see, because that's the only thing that is remaining. I'm just going to use it in the center. Wow. This you can definitely do. That's really pretty. So this product I would recommend for the eyelid, for the inner corner of the eyes, for the collarbones, for the shoulder, and to mix it in with your face powder if this is a nighttime party kind of a look. For cheekbones, unless and until you're going for the really blingy kind of a look, then you can use this, but otherwise I wouldn't recommend this for the cheekbones. So I just thought I will update you guys on the shimmer dust situation. This shimmer dust has been on my body and face for most of the day. So I had applied it, I think, around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 9 o'clock in the night right now, and this has not gone anywhere. It's still there, but this kind of a shimmer is something that you would not want to wear on an everyday basis, maybe for a party or something like a cocktail party, or New Year's Eve. That is when I think this shimmer dust will come into play, and maybe for some themed kind of parties, that is when I think this you can wear on the body and on the cheekbones and everywhere else. In my opinion, the only two areas on the face where you can use the shimmer dust more regularly is on the eyelids and on the inner corner of the eyes. So that is my opinion, and I thought that let me just sit down and give you a final brief on what I thought about this product. This was not planned, but as the day went by and as the evening progressed, I just thought I'd let you know that this shimmer is not going anywhere once you apply it on your face or on your body. It will remain throughout the day. And at the same time, I also wanted to let you know my opinion about how and where you can wear this shimmer dust more on a regular basis, and on what areas can you wear it for special occasions. So thank you so much for being here and watching this entire video. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I wish for you a wonderful week ahead. And I will see you again very, very soon in another cruelty free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.